Hello everyone, this is Sai Krishna, your digital transformation well-wisher. And we know that a lot of retail organizations have really embraced the power of digital transformation. But today, let's try to understand what this digital transformation really means to the functions in the retail industry, such as sales, supply chain, operations, or marketing. That's what we are going to dive deep into. Yeah, here it is. So for today, the agenda is that we are going to talk about the major areas of the functions in retail industry that are empowered because of digital transformation. Then we are going to talk about some real world examples, and then we're going to talk about top four business use cases in the context of digital transformation for retail industry. Let's jump in. Let's talk about what are the major areas in the retail industry, and we'll talk about operations, customer experience, sales, supply chain. These are the functions that have been really empowered because of technology. And when it comes to operations, it is all end-to-end operations management, and they have benefited cost savings in this. And in supply chain, be it using route optimization or demand forecasting, they have saved a lot of money in it uh, through in terms of time to market or even appropriate demand forecasting and production optimization as well. And when it comes to customer experience, hyper personalization is one of the biggest aspect that has taken the customer experience to a new level, and it has resulted in revenue uplifting and also reducing the churn, increasing the customer lifetime value. When it comes to sales, the number of channels or the buying convenience or the purchase power to the customer or to the consumer has been increased because of these channels. And that's how the sales got increased. And also the cost of goods production or the cost of goods availability also has been decreased. Here are four real world examples where retail organizations have really leveraged digital transformation. IKEA has used predictive analytics, and that has helped them in understanding the demand, aligning it with production, supply chain, inventory, and also promotion with accurate data forecasts. And this has helped them in coming up with promotion plans as well and making sure that their operations or their productions are well aligned to the actual demand that they are forecasting. And M&S has used RFID technology to make sure that their inventory management is optimized, and also it helped them in reducing the losses due to out of stock sales, out of stock items. Sephora has actually utilized the sales forecasting to automate the replenishment of goods whenever the sales have happened. This data has been reflected in back to the supply chain or or even the production, such that the replenishment doesn't is done to the best in a way that other stock items doesn't happen, or even understand which products are being more bought at what location at what time, and ensure that they are aligned with that demand as well. Urban Outfitters have used AI to understand the trends, the seasons, the stock level promotions, and all the demand drivers that drive the demand for the products and for what products at on what time on what factors. Understood them, and then they have leveraged this data to market their products, also to to choose on the kind of uh, product designs, product ideations as well. This is how Urban Outfitters have used AI. So these are the four top successful use cases or case studies that you can say how retail organizations have completely transformed their businesses. What are the top three key drivers that these kind of use cases are being made of? Technologically, the one of the major aspects that retail organizations have to do away with is the legacy systems with less capabilities. So either you have to enhance your legacy systems with the existing features should be extended, or the new features should be added on, and also upgrading the software and hardware using cloud computing or advanced analytics and even IoT, Industry 4.0, embracing new innovative technologies which help them in this journey of digital transformation, without which wouldn't be possible. So technologies like AI, ML, these are the ones that will take the organization to the near future required to be foolproof to the near future. Here are a couple of use cases that we can look at where digital transformation can help retail industries. One, omni-channel customer experiences, be it using more searchable on the search engine or using NLP's natural language processing to understand the queries that they give on the chatbots and then responding back with the nearest humanized answers. And also integrated return processes that makes them feel like they purchase their purchase power is increased and they earn the trust and they take the step of purchase easily with convenience. That is where across different channels they buy somewhere online and then they can return offline at the store, or even vice versa. This kind of integrated return process can be possible with these omni-channel customer experiences. Second one, hyper personalization. Everyone expects a very relevant recommendations to them based upon their purchase behavior, based upon their search behavior, even their purchase history, or even their kind of expenditure ticket size, based upon this, and also based upon the location or the context or the festival. We look at different kind of purchases with different price offerings. These all can be made possible through hyper personalization. Sentiment analysis will help to understand the customer behavior, the customer pulse way better, and based upon that, aligning the marketing, sales, and even pricing, better. Other couple of case studies, use cases or supply chain agility and resilience. Using AI, we can build some predictive models to anticipate the demands and make sure that organizations doesn't overproduce their products. Route optimizations, there are natural and man-made calamities, or like wars, where the products get delay in their delivery, and in which case AI can help in rerouting them or even anticipating the kind of expected delays and make sure that there is some risk mitigation steps that are taken in this kind of activities. And the fourth use case is that end-to-end operations, where you can actually create digital twins. You don't have to go through the entire traditional process of creating something physical and then taking it through testing and then taking it through prototyping, all this. So digital twins help you in ideating, in creating a prototype, and also testing it, and also taking some surveys on it also probably. And also workforce planning helps the retail industry to understand the need of the workforce in certain stores, in certain areas, and also the store operation analytics, which will help them in better visual merchandising, also understand the customer's behavior or walk-in hours, based upon which the store can be optimized in a much better way. So that's how, right from cost saving to optimization of stores to forecasting the demand of the customer to ideating and designing better products. A lot of ways the functions like sales, operations, marketing, supply chain, end-to-end operations, these are getting way benefited because of the digital transformation, these technologies, empowering the retail industry, also empowering the customer experiences, and making sure that organizations are staying ahead of the curve while the technologies are taking the customer expectations rocket high. This is the time retail industry have to fully leverage the capabilities of technology and transform its organization along with their customer experiences. Happy digital transformation.